Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a brand new, fresh out of the crate, 2021 Yamaha Tenere 1200 ES. This motorcycle is brand new and will be prepped to go once sold. So let's take our walk around it and we're going to show it to you today. This bike comes in a matte black finish. It's got a factory center stand on it. Tail rack. Passenger grip handles. Hand guards. Looks like maybe they still are calling it the Super Tenere. It says it there on the windscreen. Alright, this brand new 2021 Yamaha Tenere 1200 is brand new and will be prepped to go once it is sold. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.